What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to download the ComfyUI Manager. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. What it does, ComfyUI Manager is an extension designed to enhance the usability of the ComfyUI. It offers management function to install, remove, disable, and enable various custom nodes of the ComfyUI. So first, in order to install it, you must have Git for Windows already installed in it, also the Python. So once you have it, the link to this specific repository will be in the description. Make sure you guys can always go ahead and click on it. Once you go ahead and click on it, you will see this page. Go to the code section. Over here, you will see this link, or simply you guys can download it as zip. Or if you have GitHub desktop application, it's pretty easier to just go ahead and click on open with GitHub desktop. So it will simply go ahead and will be able to download or copy it into your system. Once copied, just simply extract it and you will be able to use it right away. It's that simple. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one.